Hello to all my viewers and subscribers. Welcome back. And today we're about to feature this Hot Wheels from Hot Wheels, the 1986 Nissan 720 King Cab. Probably most of you guys are familiar with this when Hot Wheels made an announcement that they will let out this from Redline from the RLC. Actually, I'm not a member of RLC, but one of my suppliers is member, so I was able to grab one. And sometimes I don't have the time to catch up with their online stores. So I think it's not I don't think if it's worth it to be a member, and comes with the I think with the payment, right? So we get straight to the model itself. I've collected some RLC. It all started with the Lamborghini Countach. I think the 1982 Lamborghini Countach. The only one I never had was the black one. But the rest of the four I was able to get. So here is the Hot Wheels Nissan. Actually, I was a bit sad with this outside box. When it came to me, it's crumpled. But anyway, this protects the actual box inside. So let's see. The nice box, nice packaging. Okay, here's the short description. Mm-hmm. Okay, so there you go. Actually, this one was it's like this Chevy S10, a small pickup. Okay, in my country, this is a popular pickup. Actually, it's one of workhorses there. You can see the color, the Spectre Flame, purple or violet. Anyway, whatever it is, let's start unboxing. Okay, so fresh out of the box, you can see. Beautiful. So this one is a working, posable, I said. It's quite stiff. I like it. At least you can pose it. Hmm. And that TV screen there, you can see it. Close it up. It's He-Man, Masters of the Universe. Oh, nice detail. Oh, those subs. Simulated subs. There's a bit of overpaint there. We can make it silver. So this one is a bit perfect. Some tweeters there, mid-range. Okay. Of course, Hot Wheels trademark. Full rolling wheels, perfect rolling wheels. No other mix does it better than Hot Wheels. The name says all, Hot Wheels. The paint is spectacular, huh? Very nice. Unfortunately, this one is It's only painted. Huh? It should be chrome. Anyway, we can do that with the bare metal foil. This one also should be chrome, right? Chrome, chrome, should be. Well, if they made it chrome, maybe it will not retail for that price. We got it. Of course, this diecast chassis. Let's see this cab. Is it diecast? Yes, it's diecast. Diecast. I thought it's plastic. It's diecast also. And of course, some graphics over there. It's finely done. Very well done. The Nissan logo and the number plate, tail lights, all nicely done. See how it rolls. Of course, it rolls perfectly, right? Right, okay. Very nice. This should go side by side with my other two pickups. This one, this other two is from, I think you still remember them. Wait, huh? Just hold on a while. We'll get it. Ta-da! Here you go. Yeah, that completes it. Okay. So these two are from Revel, huh? And you know they are now have skyrocketed in prices. Good thing during the pandemic time I was able to snatch these two mint in card, but of course we let them out. So this one is okay. We'll get a quick overview. Okay, this one is this one is not posable, but it's not as good as the Hot Wheels. This one is a plastic chassis, but this one is posable axles. Hmm. You can also post this bed over there. It has a pivot over there, over here, under here. Okay, same as this one. This it's all Chevy S10 pickup. This small pickup became popular during the gas what you call this? What do you call that? The petroleum economics, na? It was hard during the late 70s to 80s, so these pickups were popular. And small cars back then were also, even the Mustang became small. Yeah? So those big three produced them for the masses. Okay. So now they have become part of low riding culture. See, this 64, right? This is what I like with 64. You can easily integrate them together with other brands, and even in a diorama you can set it. Okay, enough of that. Let's focus on this one. So there you go, the Nissan 720 King Cab from Hot Wheels RLC. Thank you again, guys, for watching. See you again on our next segment. Bye. Thank you.